Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I will show you how to delete a story in Jira. First, go to the projects on the left panel and click on the project that contains the story that you want to delete. Now, on the upper part, go to backlog. Here on the bottom part, you can see all your stories. Now, click on the story that you want to delete. Then, on the right panel, click on the three dots beside the X button. Then choose Delete. Now what you need to do is to simply type in delete, and that's it. As you can see, your story is now deleted. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.